Holochain. This is live price prediction of Holochain, my friend, and this is the new month. Exactly, my friend. In the start of month, every cryptocurrency is going very badly, falls down. But I can't believe it. To Holochain is moving off like a rocket. So what's my prediction? In upcoming days, Holochain is moving off or fails down. Let's get started the price prediction. But before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, please, if you are new on our channel, most welcome, subscribe EBS Tech channel, press bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much. Okay, my friend, I am also right. This time you can see here, I tell you, my friend, to in the start of month, every cryptocurrency is very badly falls down. So this time, if you can see here, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and they are also fails down. Minus 1.87% they fails down. So definitely all cryptocurrencies goes down. So the reason is that, my friend, to people starting selling now and those days. So if people starting selling, then exactly all coins who has go up like a rocket, then absolutely they are starting failing now. But this time you can see here they fails down very small. This is not a big change occur, my friend. Minus 1.87% they fails down just in 1 hour. But if we check out the last 4 hour chart, my friend, then we understand. You can see here this time in the last 4 hour result as in positive. So this is gonna be good, my friend. I think the last 1 our chart, remember, this is a negative, so this is just for a short time. I hope after this is very small fails, but I hope in upcoming time after this falls they also take a very big jump like that. You can see here after a very big jump they fails down. Definitely, my friend, every crypto coin is going at this circulation to after a jump they fails down, and after this jump because they fails down, so definitely after this fails they take a jump. So I think in upcoming time they going off like a rocket. My prediction is that to upcoming time Holochain is moving off like a rocket. So definitely please hold it. This is my opinion. I just share my opinion, my friend. Please hold it and don't sell it, because in upcoming days they're moving off like a rocket and they make you good, they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. So please don't sell it. Okay, hope you understand. Please like this video, subscribe this channel. If you need this type more informative video, please like and subscribe this channel.